how to contact GoDaddy support. So basically all we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, and here we will see the help section. Once we click on this drop down menu, you will get an option contact us. If we select this option contact us, it's going to load up a page here with your local phone number for their support, and you can also live chat to them right here if it's offered for this specific region. So basically, depending on which location you are located in, then here you will see the phone number which you can contact them on, as well as an option to live chat to them if it's available, like I said, for the specific region that you are accessing GoDaddy from. Then you just click on here, and that's basically how you contact support in GoDaddy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.